Are you doing everything right? Eating healthy, maybe even exercising, but still struggling with bloating, digestive issues, and fatigue? It's frustrating when your body feels like it's working against you. But what if relief wasn't about another restrictive diet, but about 5 specific foods to your plate? A groundbreaking study from Stanford University found that a diet rich in fermented foods can dramatically increase gut diversity and lower inflammation in just a few weeks. We're going to reveal the 5 foods at the heart of this revolution. Think of your gut microbiome as a garden. A healthy one is filled with diverse, helpful bacteria. But when that garden gets overgrown with weeds, bad bacteria, it leads to an imbalance that causes chronic inflammation, which is a root cause of issues from bloating to brain fog. The Stanford study was a game changer. Over 10 weeks, researchers compared a high-fiber diet to a diet rich in fermented foods. The results were stunning. The group eating fermented foods saw a significant in their gut microbiome diversity and a measurable decrease in 19 different inflammatory markers in their blood. This was a powerful signal that what we eat can directly calm our immune system and rebuild our inner ecosystem. Let's get into the 5 foods that were cornerstones of this successful approach. Food number 1, kimchi, a traditional Korean side dish made from fermented vegetables like napa cabbage. It's a powerhouse of beneficial bacteria and was one of the key foods in the Stanford study that helped increase gut diversity and lower inflammation. Other research has also shown that the fermentation process in kimchi can help improve the body's ability to handle sugar and may aid in weight management. Add a spoonful to eggs or fried rice to easily work it into your diet. Food number 2, sauerkraut made from fermented cabbage and salt. The key is to choose the raw, unpasteurized kind from the refrigerated section to get the live probiotics. Canned versions are heat-treated, which kills the good bacteria. Like kimchi, sauerkraut was part of the diet shown in the Stanford research to boost microbe diversity. Plus, it's known to be great for digestion, helping to improve bowel regularity and reduce bloating. If you're finding this helpful and are excited about fixing your own gut, please hit that like button. It makes a huge difference in helping this video reach more people. Now, let's get to number 3. Food number 3, yogurt. It is one of the most accessible fermented foods, created by fermenting milk with beneficial bacteria. The Stanford study included fermented dairy like yogurt as a way to lower inflammation and boost gut health. Other large-scale studies have linked higher yogurt intake to a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes and found it can help lower bad LDL cholesterol. Always choose plain, unsweetened yogurt with live and active cultures on the label. Sugar feeds the bad bacteria, which is the opposite of what we want. Food number 4, kefir. If yogurt is the workhorse, kefir is the racehorse. It's a fermented milk drink that contains a huge variety of probiotic strains, often 30 to 50, far more than most yogurts. This incredible diversity makes it one of the most potent probiotic sources. Studies show that regular kefir consumption can help reduce cholesterol and key inflammatory markers, aligning perfectly with the Stanford findings. You can drink a small glass straight or use it as a smoothie base. Food number 5, kombucha. Our final food is kombucha, a fizzy fermented tea made with a culture of bacteria and yeast, known as a SCOBY. It's another powerful tool for boosting microbiome diversity and was on the list of beneficial foods in the Stanford study. Research shows its antioxidant and polyphenol content can help limit chronic inflammation. Kombucha can be a great replacement for sugary sodas, but read the labels. Look for brands with under 5 grams of sugar per serving to avoid negating the benefits. The key to starting is to go low and slow. Your gut might not be used to this influx of good bacteria, so begin with just a spoonful or 2 of one fermented food per day. You can gradually increase the amount and variety as your body adapts. You can even make some of these at home. For example, simple homemade sauerkraut just requires cabbage, salt, and a jar. Let it ferment on your counter for a week or 2, and you'll have a potent, gut-healing food for a fraction of the store-bought price. The science is clear. Healing your gut isn't about deprivation. It's about abundance. It's about adding these 5 powerful foods back into your diet: kimchi, sauerkraut, yogurt, kefir, and kombucha. By doing so, You are actively replanting your inner garden to give your body the tools it needs to thrive. Which of these foods is your favorite? Or which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to keep learning about science-backed health strategies, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss what's next. Thanks for watching. Keep your vibes high and your health higher. Catch you in the next one.